Hello friends, our question is find the value of a and b from expression 1 minus a over b whole to the power minus 2 into a square over square root of a minus square root of b whole square plus 2 times of square root of b is equal to 4 and a plus b is equal to 6. Now on solving this problem, given that 1 minus a over b whole to the power minus 2 into a square over square root of a minus square root of b whole square plus 2 square root of ab is equal to 4. This is equation number 1 and a plus b is equal to 6. This is equation number 2. We have to find the value of a and find the value of b. Now solving in equation number 1, we call a rule n over m whole to the power minus l is equal to m over n whole to the power l. Applying this law here, 1 minus a over b, then b over a whole square, as per rule this, into a square over square root of a minus square root of b whole square plus 2 times of square root of ab is equal to 4. 1 minus b square over a square into a square over, open this square, a minus b, square root of a square minus square root of b square, square root of a square plus square root of b square minus 2 times of square root of a times of square root of b plus 2 times of square root of ab is equal to 4. Let's take an LCM. In numerator, a square, here a square minus b square into a square over square, this square and this square root will be removed, a plus this square and this square root will be removed, b minus 2 times of this square root of a square root of b, it can be written as square root of ab plus 2 times of square root of ab is equal to 4. This is, or this multiply by this to be cancelled, remaining a square minus b square over a plus b minus 2 square root of ab plus 2 square root of b, this to be cancelled, is equal to 4. Opening a square minus b square, a plus b times of a minus b is equal to over a plus b is equal to 4. This to be cancelled, a minus b is equal to 4. This is equation number 3. Now from equation number 2 and equation number 3. Equation number 2 is a plus b is equal to 6. A plus b is equal to 6 and equation number 3 is a minus b is equal to 4. On solving both equations, this to be cancelled, a plus a is equal to 6 plus 4, a plus a 2a is equal to 10, a is equal to this 2, move to right side, a is equal to 5. Now putting the value of a in equation 2. Equation number 2 is a plus b is equal to 6. The values of a is equal to 5. Putting here 5 plus b is equal to 6. B is equal to 5. Move to right side. B is equal to 1. Be getting the answer of a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 1. Find value of a and b, getting the answer of a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 1. This is answer. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.